Hello everyone, today I will show you how to install mods with R2 mod manager support. For example, I will download mods for Risk of Rain 2 and let's go. For the first we need to download R2 mod manager. We need to search an official page. Next we need to click on download button and download. Next, when we download R2 mod manager, open this tab, run, and we need to install this R2 mod manager. Click on next, install, and this is all what we need to do. When we will install R2 mod manager, we need to open this manager, and we have a main page. We need to select the game. For example, I will install mods for Risk of Rain 2. When we found our game, we need to click and select game or set as default. Yeah. I will press on select game. Next, we need to choose platform, store managers platform. We need to select Steam or Epic Game Store or another one platform. I will select Steam. Next, we need to create our profile or use default profile. I will create a new profile, tutorial, create, and select profile. When we will create our profile, need to click on online button and we can download mods from Thunderstore site. For example, how to download mod. We need to press on mods what you like and press on download button. Okay, for example, I pressed on this button. We can select version of this mod. I select latest version of this mod, download, and this mod downloaded another one mod because he needs this. And then when we install these mods, we have two ways how to use these mods. First, if you have licenses of this game, for example Risk of Rain 2, we need to just press on start modded. If you have a pirate copy of Risk of Rain 2, this is for example, you need to go to settings, all, next browse profile folder, and these all pages, we need to draw these in our game folder, for example Risk of Rain 2, and then we need to draw these all files into folder Risk of Rain 2. This is needed for pirate version of Risk of Rain 2. I have licensed version, so I need to press on start modded. And this is all what you need to do. Thanks for watching and good luck.